Everybody's gonna need a 24-inch bust down middle part for the new year. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit right here, guys. So this unit was sent to me from Julia Hair Company. So starting off, this unit was supposed to be that layered style unit where you kind of fold it underneath. Now, I'm not sure if it's because this unit is very, very silky and buttery straight, but I wasn't really getting that effect or getting that kind of vibe when I curled it underneath. So all I did with this unit was just bone straighten it out, and you guys can see it is very, very nice, buttery, silky straight. Now with this unit, guys, it does have a light layer in the front, as you guys can see right here. Obviously when I straightened, it gave like a really nice melted kind of slick effect. So I think that the unit overall is a very pretty unit. Unfortunately, like I said, with the curl underneath, I felt like this hair needed to be a little bit thicker for that curl underneath, but as a layered styled straight unit, this would definitely be good marketing for the company. I don't see a lot of companies doing layers anyways on their units, so this company has already started like a little bit of a layer effect in the front for you. If you're someone that wants to do like Farrah Fawcett curls and stuff like that, this unit already has a little bit of a layer base, so it does make it much easier. So this is the 13x4, so you guys can see I did go ahead and do some baby hair magic just on the air tap section. I wanted to kind of leave the side area a little bit open just because it is a middle part wig. With this one, a good style with this one as well, which I'll put on the side screen, is doing like a low ponytail middle part style, or even like a low bun. Because it is so freaking flat at the top right here, you're able to do styles like that. So you literally can take this unit, hopefully I'm not popping all over the place, take this unit, really slick it down, and get a nice low ponytail in the back, which would be actually a really, really cute style as well. So that's mainly the reason why I didn't do baby hairs on this side or over here, is because you do like a nice little baby hair on the air tab, and then you slick it down like that, you'll get a really nice middle part sleek low ponytail or a low bun. So I do like this unit for the fact that it is a very nice silky straight texture. It does have a light layer in it, and it also lays very, very flat. You guys know, even if you have like braids underneath, sometimes the middle part units with silky straight hair never seems to fall flat, but with this one I do have like little box braids in my hair, and it kind of falls pretty flat. I made sure I went in with my hot comb and really got the area down at the top, and I used the Even Wonder lace just to spray any of the flyaways at the top, because you always get like a little bit of flyaways at the top right here. So to kind of control those, you want to go ahead and spray the top. With this unit today, I did not install it. Well, I've had this unit on for 2 days now, but With this unit, guys, I did not install this unit with any glue. All I used was my Eben Wonder Lace spray to adhere, and it does pretty well. Another thing I want to mention about this unit and this wig company is that I am a medium to average cap size head, guys. And when I told you when I cut the lace and put this on, it landed ear to ear. So I didn't have to customize the ear tabs, which I love when a company has it like that. I do not want to cut ear tabs. Sometimes I hate doing that because I feel like it's almost pulling some hair out, and it almost kind of reconstructs the wig a little bit on your head as well too. If y'all know what I mean, y'all know what I mean. But with this one, I didn't have to do that. It literally ended boom boom, and I was done. All I had to do was cut the lace. This unit is great. It comes with an adjustable strap in the back, so you don't really have to adjust the hooks too tightly. You can wear this glueless. What I like to do in the beginning is spray it the first install, and then after I wash it, reset it up, and then make it a glueless wig. The wig has to actually have like a little bit of a molding for your head first, so I never jump right into a glueless style. I always make sure I either spray it or glue it the first install, and then the second install, once I've kind of measured and it's molded into my head shape, it'll be ready for glueless on the second install. So this unit, guys, very fabulous. If you're looking for a nice middle part bust down 24-inch joint, here you go. The unit is very lightweight as well too, guys. It's like the perfect kind of silky texture. Very buttery and soft texture. Look at that. And you even get like a little light layer in the front. So who's going to complain about that? So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Julia Hair Company. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.